Imagine waking up every morning to see money in your account, all from a simple app you built once. No huge budget, just one idea that makes you money every single day. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are making $100 a day or more with simple apps, and how you can do it too. Let's go! When people think about making money with apps, they imagine huge companies like Facebook or TikTok. But the truth is you don't need millions of downloads. Some of the most profitable apps are the simplest. Think calculators, habit trackers, flashcard apps, tools people use every day. Let me give you a real example. A student built a simple daily expenses tracker app. It took him about 2 weeks using a free tool called Mob Easy. He launched it on Google Play. The app was free to download, but it showed ads and had a small upgrade option for $2.99 to unlock premium features. Within 3 months, he was making over $100 a day from ad revenue and upgrades. Crazy, right? One simple app, done once, making passive income every day. So how does this actually work? Step 1. Pick a simple, everyday problem to solve. Budget planner, habit tracker, daily reminders. Step 2. Use an app builder like Mob Easy or Andromo. Step 3. Publish your app on Google Play in the App Store. Step 4. Monetize it with ads, or offer a small paid upgrade. That's it. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a big team. Just solve one small problem really well. But wait, a lot of beginners make these mistakes. 1. Building an app no one wants. Always check if people are searching for this idea. 2. Making it too complicated. Keep it simple, one main function. 3. Not marketing it. Share your app in Facebook groups, Reddit, or student communities. Do these 3 things right and you have a real chance to hit $100/day or more. So, would you like more real-life app success stories like this? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss a tip to grow your own mobile app business. Got an app idea already? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to see what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it simple, launch it fast, and watch your app make money for you.